welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 6-9 on a happy Friday, y'all. Ooh, have I got a spread for you. Corn on a cob, y'all. Lima beans cooked and jerk, smoke, turkey drumsticks. So delicious, didn't need any more seasoning in it. Pork neck bones and carrots, y'all. Mashed potatoes with some cheese and tomatoes. String beans cooked with turnip bottoms. Yes, the way my grandmother used to make them. Sweet potatoes. And of course, a delicious looking salad with some avocados. You know you gotta have some croissants and garlic bread. With the lamb chops I'm about to saute in real mint jellies. It's gonna be so yummy delicious, y'all. This is the kind of meal you gotta have a cold Heineken with, right? The sunmoonproducts.com, where you can pick up you some Sneevy's love their barbecue spice, and Sneevy spicy honey hot dill pickles. Even some love that 6-9 wine, y'all. And if I call you spontaneous and you ain't got nothing to do, drop on by for a meal, y'all. Enjoy life.